it's been a pretty quiet one. There's no deep cut, but the fact that we haven't maintained that momentum that we have for the last 6 trading days, well, that's noteworthy. You've seen the broader markets at least manage to hold on to gains to a certain extent. So it's 1/3% across the board, I'd say. Metals, IT, PSU banks all a little bit quiet in trade today. FMCG is though making up, and media as well, not too bad. Take you through the big losers. Adani Enterprises, ONGC, Adani Ports, UPL, L&T, TCS, RIL and SBI. On the flip side, HUL doing the heavy lifting, Nestle holding out, and ITC. So that's really why the IT index, the FMCG index is abuzz. Asian Paints as well, another stock in the green. Take you through some of the newsmakers then. Well, you did have crude oil prices slumping, so that is going to continue to remain on top of mind of investors, and then the FOMC decision. Go first, well, that budget airline has filed for bankruptcy. They've suspended their flight operations across airports, and companies that are related to this counter have exposure, banks that have exposure, all come falling down in trade, the likes of Bombay Burma, Central Bank, etc. Meantime, Manappuram Finance as well, as the ED raids have taken place at the premises and the headquarters linked to promoters, that has clearly spooked the street. Aztec Life Sciences, the first ever quarterly loss in the last 15 quarters. Spandana Spurti, it's been a healthy set of numbers as well that the company has reported. So that exactly is what the street is looking at. Meantime, you had Tata Steel as well, the brokerage reports coming in, the street digesting it. Macquarie has an outperform on Indigo with a target price of 2,600. That stock flying high, to put it mildly, in trade. Morgan Stanley maintains an overweight on M&M Finance. Cipla is on Jefferies' radar. A quick look at the broader market movers. On the upside, you have names like EIL, Rail Vikas Nigam, JK Tyre, SGVN and SIAT along with BHEL that have really rallied hard and fast.